Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak on the newest version of iOS. So let me just go to settings and show you guys what's going on with my jailbreak. So as you can see, I'm on iOS 26.4, the newest version. So I'm going to show you guys exactly the jailbreak. So let's get straight into the video. So this actually works, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is go to settings. So once you're there, guys, make sure that you have the low power mode turned off. So once you've done that, guys, you're going to be good to go. So let me just go back. And I'm going to make sure the background app refresh is on. So make sure you guys have that on. So once you do that, guys, you're going to be good to go. So the last thing we need to do is make sure the automatic downloads is on. So this is pretty important as well. So let me just go ahead and do that. So now let's go to the website. So this is the site right here. It's called jailbreaktoday.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So yeah, I'm just gonna type it in. All right. So we're on the site. So I'm gonna press the button that says verify compatibility. So I'm gonna choose my version of my phone. So let me just do that. So now I'm gonna choose the version and everything. So let's just give it a second. Alright, so before we can actually do the jailbreak, guys, we just need to go ahead and press the button that says jailbreak. So there is going to be a verification process. So what you have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So I'm going to press human verification. So now it's going to bring me to the list of apps. So all I have to do is download 2 of the apps and follow the instructions. So it's 100% for free. So for the first app, I'm going to do Evertail, so it's going to take me to the App Store. So I'm just going to go ahead and download it. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go back to the list. And for the second app, I'm going to go ahead and do Travel Town. So this one's a game. So I just got to go to the App Store and download it. So let's just give it a second. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the Evertail's done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around because it's a game. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just going to run this right here as you can see. Alright, pretty easy. Nothing too crazy, so let me just go ahead and do that as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running this right here. Pretty easy, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that as you can see. Alright, so I think we're pretty much done with this one, so I'm going to go to the home screen and do the other one. So let me just go ahead and play this for a little bit more. Alright, so now I'm going to do the other one, which is Travel Town. So this one's a game, so I just got to go ahead and run it, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so I'm just going to play through this right here as you can see. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. Alright, so I'm just running it. So it should be pretty easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and play through this for a little bit more here as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to run this right here. So honestly, guys, I think we're pretty much done. So I'm going to go to the home screen and do the other app. So let's just go to the home screen and do the other one. So I'm just going to run this one for a little bit more here as you can see. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do this. Alright, so now we'll do the other one, which is the, let's see if our device is jailbroken. So I don't see Cydia, guys, but it might work, so let's see if it pops up. And where's Cydia, guys? No Cydia. I'm wishing it was here. Alright, let's see if it pops up, guys, and then we're going to be good to go. And oh my gosh, guys, it works, so be sure to try this out. Super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. So as you can see, I got Cydia right there. So this is super cool, guys. So look at that. It actually works. So this is so crazy, guys. So I can search up whatever I want, jailbreak themes and all that shit. So this is so cool, guys. As you can see, we have all Cydia working. So I'm going to search up Lotus, which is my favorite jailbreak theme, just to show you guys this actually works. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So as you can see, there it is, guys. So this is so crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So it actually works. So yeah, this is crazy, bro. So be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. Oh my gosh, it's downloading. So yeah, have fun guys. This is super cool and it's ready for you. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. Look at that guys. This is insane. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe and peace out.